Our interest was sparked by some of the community outreach projects that Dovestech is involved in. Would you go into detail about the different community outreach projects that Dovestech is involved in and what makes you feel passionate about them?
We've created a foundation called Dove's Hope, and you can find it at doveshope.org. Basically, it's a foundation that tries to bring together different businesses and talents so that we can kind of use that talent base to help with cancer research. We're taking a different spin than just throwing money at the cancer research, which I think money is very important, but what we're trying to do is find those guys who are very talented and use their abilities as programmers, as designers, as framework people who understand scientific research that goes behind cancer, and some technologies that are involved in helping with that, including Java programming or programming in general, that helps with building applications that provide research tools for different organizations and hospitals and research centers around the community. And so we built this community of people who are just interested in this kind of stuff. Our model is kind of interesting because what our model does is say, hey, you got all these people on overhead right now because they're in between contracts. So the way the intelligence community works is you put people on overhead when you don't have a contract to put them on, and usually that is just money that the company spends on a person to do, to sit around the office waiting for that next gig. Maybe they're helping around the office, but honestly they're not very productive. And so what we're trying to do is say, hey, let us take those talents, let us take those people and use them just for a week in order to build a certain aspect of our cancer research project in collaboration with a university or with a hospital or other medical centers around the community.